Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you guys have a BMW X5. Doesn't matter which engine you have, 6, 8-cylinder, gasoline or diesel, and you need to clean your Vanos solenoids. Stay with us, we'll explain everything from start to finish, why to buy a new one, if you can save your old one, guys. We've done that multiple times and almost every time was successful, guys. And eventually, guys, you have to clean those things because they get really dirty, really nasty, especially if you follow that the 10-15,000 mile oil change interval, which we don't, guys, in most cases, because otherwise, guys, okay, definitely you will develop a problem sooner or later, especially if you don't use high quality oil. Before we start, guys, all the tools and parts that we use, including the cleaner, any parts, if you need to buy a new solenoid or anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Introduction to the channel, guys, before we start. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you guys. So let us show you, okay, what we need to do now to actually clean that Vanos solenoid. Specifically, we have N52 6-cylinder engine here that can be found in BMW X5, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure will be practically the same. So before we start, guys, okay, let me share one thing. If you have a BMW, guys, or pretty much any car, check out this channel, How to Repair, guys. This is our main channel and we have helped more than 71 million people, guys. We have so much information that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs. So how we, guys, are going to clean that sensor, that solenoid, Vanos solenoid? Pretty simple, guys. We need to use spray cleaner, and we usually use throttle body and air intake cleaner. You can use muff cleaner, works as well, but we notice that those will not cause usually damage, guys, to those parts. We need to circulate the solenoid open and close, that way, okay, we can clean everything really good. Because let's say you just clean it while it's closed, you may not clean it successfully, because if there is something stuck inside, you will not be able to do it. So here we have two wires. We need to connect it to a 12-volt car battery, but polarity doesn't matter. You can install negative or positive on each side. That's not a problem. You can reverse them, but if you touch the two wires together, okay, to the car battery, you will, guys, immediately burn that solenoid. So what we're going to do now, okay, we're actually going to go ahead, install the alligator clips. That makes life way easier. And we're going to show you guys how we're going to circulate the solenoid, open and close. Okay, check it out now. And even if you reverse the wires, it will still work, guys. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and show you what we need to use to actually clean it. Okay, we have the wires connected, and you're going to see that the solenoid will open and close when you apply 12-volt supply. So what we're going to do while it's opening and closing, okay, I'm going to spray through each of the holes. Okay, check out all the stuff coming out. Okay, that's very bad, guys. So let's keep it open now, 12-volt constant supply. Okay, I'm going to spray each of the holes. Okay, check it out, guys. Okay, all that is gunk coming out of it. Now let's do that a few times through the holes, guys, and you need to do that for about probably 1 to 2 minutes. Open it. Okay, and you can see how much more came out. Okay, now on the front, guys, right here there is another one. So let's open it again. Okay, let's tilt it this way a little bit. Perfect. Let's spray a little bit more now. Okay, and you can see it keeps coming out, but actually, guys, okay, it gets really clean to the point, and you'll be able to hear a louder knock, okay, when you're finished, when you apply 12-volt supply. Next, we're going to get a little bit of oil, engine oil. We use leaky moly, guys, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. That's the oil that we use in our BMWs. It works really good. And we're going to apply a little bit of oil, okay, and we're going to open and close so we can lubricate, okay, before we install it back on the car. So let's go ahead, do that. I'm going to install, just pour a little bit of oil through the hose, move it again. Okay, to make sure, okay, you can still see some dirt coming out, but definitely, guys, it will be a better working Vanos solenoid after that. So pretty much, guys, that's how we clean it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.